Welcome students, the sounds of English lesson 2. You have given here the chart of English sounds. There are 44 sounds in this chart. Introduction to sounds. Vowel sounds. First of all, what are vowel sounds? We have to know. Vowel sounds are made by shaping air as it leaves the body. Vowel sounds are made by shaping air as it leaves the body. Next, consonant sounds. What are consonant sounds? Consonant sounds are made by blocking air as it leaves the body. Vowel sounds are again divided into three types. First one is front vowel sounds. Tongue towards front. We have to see in the pictures what is the position of the mouth. In picture 1, if we pronounce I as many, long E is pronounced as beat. Second one, sit. Third one, hair, met. Fourth one, pan. These are front sounds. Tongue towards the front. Central vowel sounds. Tongue relatively flat. When we pronounce these words, sounds, our tongue it will be flat. A, sa, pot, the. In fifth, fun, uncle. Sixth, card, ask. Back vowel sounds. Tongue towards the back. See in the picture 8, your mouth it will be very near. You, it takes round shape. You, moon, food, you, wood. Next, ninth one, shook, full. 10th one, show, earth. 11th one, lock, clock. These are the three vowel sounds. Next one, diphthongs. Diphthongs are the vowel sounds. Move from one mouth position to another mouth position. Diphthongs are as below. E-a, dia, a-I, save, ow, loud, ow, go, I, hide. You are curious. 18th, I, choice. Again, consonant sounds. Consonant sounds are divided into 6 kinds. They are first one fricatives, second one plosives, third one effricates, fourth one approximates or semivowels, fifth one nasals or laterals. Students, we have to know each and every one kind. First one, fricatives. Fricatives made by squeezing air through a small gap. Like this. First, va, van, tha, think, da, these, sa, jad, jan, sha, she, ja, casual, ha, hard. These are called fricatives. F, V, tha, da, sa, ja, sha, ja, ha. Plosives. Plosives are made by fully blocking the air as it leaves the body. What are plosives? Plosives are PB, TD, KG, W. These are called plosives. We pronounce like this: P, pa, pick, ba, bed, ta, team, da, dine, ka, code, G, get, va, witness. Next one, effricates. Effricates. Plosive directly followed by fricatives. Directly followed by fricatives, these are cha, choose, ja, jet. Approximate smooth vowels like sounds made without contact. Watch, rug, ja, jet. Lateral. Approximates are released through the side of the tongue. Look, tall. Nostrils made by releasing sound through the nose. Nostrils are M, N, ing. These three are called nostrils. Ma, mode. Na, neck. Ing, song. Thank you.